Good afternoon, traders. Here's how to set up your hotkeys to trade the market open. This video assumes you watched my other video about your hotkey setup in 2021. I'll put a link in the description so you can check that video out if you haven't already. So you already have your hotkeys up. Now you want to modify them to trade the open. So click on the little gear icon. This is how I use them. So if you watch that other video, you see that I use the buy ask for my pre-market setup, which is this, but now we're talking about trading the open. So I'm using buy customized. So this is a similar order to what I use in the pre-market, but with some very important modifications. So order type is limit. The limit price is the ask, because the ask price is the price that the stock is being sold at currently, right? So if you set it to bid, then you're just getting in line with other bidders, other people trying to buy it, and the ask price actually has to come down to that bid level before you can get filled. So that's why you set it to ask. Limit offset, 3 cents is a good starting point. It really kind of depends on the price of the stock and the spread of the stock, but in general, you want to be trading high volume stocks with very tight spreads. So 3 cents should do it most of the time. If you're finding that you're not getting filled, then you might want to increase that a little bit. So time and force day, we're only taking a day trade here. And then this is really the important part, the stop loss and take profit order. Select those, and then you will automatically have a bracket order put out as soon as you're filled on the position. So if you watch my live trade recap from earlier today, you can see that in action. And then the 10%, 20%, that's just kind of a default setting that I put so that the stop loss and the profit target are both far enough away that they don't get triggered accidentally as soon as I enter the trade. Then I use my 2R calculator. Again, I show all this in the previous live trade recap video. I use my 2R calculator to calculate where the actual the profit target is, and then I move them, and I move the stop loss up to the low of the previous candle or somewhere around there for my stop loss, and that's it. Then the last thing is your hotkey. If this is blank, then you're going to decide what hotkey you want to trigger this order. For me, it's Control Z. So you just click in that little box, hit Control Z, and then boom, it's done. Click done, it automatically saves it. You should see something like this in your hot button area. And if you click on that hot button, it will do the same thing as triggering the hotkey. So that's it. So let me know if you have any questions. If you don't know how to set up the hotkeys already, watch the previous video. I'm going to put a link in the description. And as always, no matter what, take your stop losses, honor your profit target, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.